So this is example 1.3 on page 19 of our textbook, and this is how to calculate density. So I'm going to read the entire question because all I have written here on the screen is just a basic summary to help us visualize. A man receives a platinum ring from his fiancée. Before the wedding, he notices that the ring feels a little light for its size, so he decides to determine its density. He places the ring on a balance and finds that it has a mass of 3.15 grams. He then finds that the ring displaces 0.233 centimeters cubed of water. Is the ring made of platinum? Note, the volume of irregularly shaped objects is often measured by the displacement of water. To use this method, the object is placed in water, and the change in volume of the water is measured. This increase in the total volume represents the volume of water displaced by the object and is equal to the volume of the object. So this volume displacement method, it's very useful to help determine volume of something that's not like a regular cube or cylinder or sphere, and we might even be using this technique in lab. So like the question states, this guy, he suspects his ring isn't made of platinum. He figures out its mass is 3.15 grams and that it displaces 0.233 centimeters cubed of water. And if you recall, technically a centimeter cubed is the same as 1 mil. Both are units of volume. So this is like saying it displaced 0.233 mils of water, meaning that it has a volume equal to that. So what he's going to do, and what we're going to do, is calculate this ring's density and see if it matches up with the density of platinum. Platinum's a pretty dense metal. It has a density of 21.4 grams per centimeters cubed, or you could say grams per milliliter. Both are exactly the same. They're interchangeable. So to calculate density, we know density is equal to mass over volume. So this problem ends up being relatively simple. Density is going to be equal to our mass, which is 3.15 grams, over our volume, which is 0.233 centimeters cubed. You merely divide those two, we should get a density of 13.5 grams per centimeter cubed. So does this number down here that we just calculated match with that one up there? And the answer is no. So the ring isn't platinum. Platinum's atomic symbol is PT. What it is, we don't know. You could consult a table of densities to figure that out, but we've answered the question, we figured out what the density of the ring is, and it does not match the density for platinum.